Good morning, guys. It is Victoria, and as you can already tell by the title, today I will be vlogging my trip to New York, and I'm trying to whisper a little bit because I don't want to wake my son up. It is like 4:45 in the morning. It sounds crazy even saying that because I am not a morning person, like, at all, but I have to catch this flight, so I'm gonna get packed and I'm gonna get ready to go. I do have to co-wash my hair, so I have to co-wash my hair. I have to pack. I've packed most of my things. I just have to pack a few more things and then call an Uber and get out of here. So come on, come with me. So I have my pillowcases and my sheets because I don't trust pillowcases and sheets at the hotel. I also have my towel here as well as my I already have my makeup bag packed up. I think I'm just gonna take this with me in my purse, like as a carry-on. So this is Body Balm, and this is by the Black Travel Box, which I absolutely love their stuff because this is shea butter, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, and look how small they are. I love this when I travel. Look at that. It's really, really like deliciously rich. I wish you guys could feel it, but a little really does go a long way. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys something really ridiculous. Like, I went to go pack toothpaste, and look at this. Like, I have 3 empty glamorous white toothpaste. I love this toothpaste, obviously, but they're all empty. So I am headed to Curlfest. I'm trying not to pick my hair out until I get to the airport, or change my clothes until I get to the airport. It is, what time is it? It is 7. It's 7 o'clock, guys, and I've been up since 5, and I'm just not a morning person. Like, seriously, like, I wake up at typically 12 p.m. So this is super early for me, and wish me luck because I can't get into my hotel in New York until 3. So I have to head straight from the airport to the festival with 4 hours of sleep. So wish me all the best. Okay, so here's the thing. I am really tired and I feel sick. Like, my lips are numb and I am just really tired. I don't know. I have like a headache and I don't know. I'm starting to feel like that I'm just going to enjoy this trip to New York, but I won't be making it to Curlfest because there's no way I can like hike a mile and then partake in Curlfest. I don't know. Hopefully I can get some sleep on the plane. I almost threw up. So I got some crackers, like some pretzel crackers, and what else? Pretzel crackers, yogurt, pineapples. I don't know. Anything that looked like that, it might make me feel better. I got that. I even got some Advil. I don't know why, because it seems like I should, but I am pooped, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to Curlfest, but I'm definitely gonna make it to New York, so. Hi, how are you? You're so pretty. Just straight ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I think this is the smallest plane I've ever been on. Let's see. So tired. It's only a 55-minute flight, but I'm gonna try to get some rest anyway. Take a quick nap and wish me luck. Okay, so I feel better, and I think we're gonna make it to Curlfest. Right, babe? How about someone special with me? So we should be there in like 45 minutes. So how long?
Hopefully it's not that long.
Hopefully not 45 minutes. Then after this, I'm gonna take me a nap. I'm tired.
on the PS3.
So we've been walking
PS3
for
is turned
about
on?
5 minutes now.
Okay.
And
Get the
we should
remote
be
and
there
click it to
shortly.
input.
I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like inside. I'm excited because this is my first
On the
Curlfest,
side
so
of the TV, there's something.
I am
You see where it says
hoping,
input?
and I'm starving, like, I'm gonna eat whatever I can find, so I'm excited. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a bit. Okay, so I'm here with Lizzie. She actually made this outfit. Can I see the sides? Look at this. Oh my God. And look at her hair. She's just so gorgeous.
I'm in good company.
See, this is, thank you. This is what you guys are missing out on here at Curlfest. What's your, is this your sister here? Okay. Look at her. What's your name?
Venus.
Venus. This is Venus. Oh my God, you look like your name should be Venus. And look, they made these outfits. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Y'all missed it. Y'all missed it. Been to a porta potty before, and I thought that this was a holder to like hold stuff. I didn't know it was the men's urinal, so I don't know how that's gonna get out of that spot. Okay, so I'm just getting back from Curlfest. Just made it to the hotel room, and it was getting really insane before I left. Like, it was windy and it was about to rain, and I think it was like at least, I don't know, maybe I don't know. I want to say like 80,000 people there. I feel like it was like 80,000 people. But I got to meet some really cool people. I met Hermela Solomon and Jujubee and Nappy Headed Black Girl. She's on Instagram. And I met Love Light Liz. And just a lot of cool people there came out to represent the curly hair community, so that was really nice. And we get back to the room, we call an Uber, we get back to the room, and I had just enough time to get my bags and everything down, and he is out. Such a party pooper. You guys think I should wake him up? He's so out. Oh my God. Honey. Honey, what are you doing? Good night, baby. Just in case I forget to do this later, I do want to let you guys know that with the black travel box, these body balms, that this was sent to me and this is sponsored, but I want to also let you know that it really is that freaking good.